You are welcome. My name is John. In today's video, I'm helping you to see how you can bring in Excel spreadsheet into Microsoft Office application. I mean you inserting Microsoft Office Excel into Microsoft Word, then you handle it effectively. You can use it to create a table. You can do calculations in the table. You can insert charts into Microsoft Office application using Excel. Everything happening in Microsoft window. So please stay till the end of this video so that you can benefit from today's video, and you can learn how you can perform various activities in Microsoft Word, activities that you could perhaps go to Excel to perform. You are highly welcome. If you have not subscribed to this channel up till now, please touch the subscribe button so that you subscribe to this channel, and also share this video to your friends. Help them to see how they can do what you are about to see now. Help them to learn their computer effectively. So please don't go away. Watch till the end of this video, for you will learn one or two things from today's video. Thank you very much. Let's see the practical aspect. Let's get started now. I say I'm going to show you how you can insert Excel spreadsheet into Microsoft Office Word document. Yes, that's what we want to do now. Look at the screen very well. You will see that this is Microsoft Office, Microsoft Word, and see, you have Home tab, insert page layout, references, building, review, and see the screen now. It is Microsoft Office Word. Now click Insert, click Table, and then click Excel Spreadsheet. You see automatically Excel Spreadsheet is inserted into Microsoft Word now, whereby you can start typing whatever you want to type now, and you can prepare the document or the table the way you want to prepare right now. But for this practical, I have prepared a table we want to use so as to make this lesson easier for us. Now I've prepared this table. So within the table, I will delete some things so that we can use it and perform our practical now. Yes, this is a table we have in mind of going to the market. So we prepare this list now. We prepare this list now. We are in Microsoft Word, but we bring in Excel into Microsoft Word and prepare this table. Let's now see the interface now. Insert, page layout, formulas, data. Especially these two tabs now are tabs that you can have in Excel, and the environment now is completely Excel application. Of course, see name box here that shows you the cell address that is active cell, and see the formula bar that displays the content of the cell. So, and see now this table, you see column heading A, B, C, D, E, and if you expand here, this place now, you click this knot and expand, you see E, F, G, H, I. If you expand more, you see more. And if you now drag down this side, you see that you see more column, the roll numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. As you expand it down, you see more roll numbers here. So this is completely Excel application. Then now let's do some calculations that Microsoft Word cannot handle such calculations. Let's assume now we want to multiply 5 by 170 That means we want to buy rice. 5 cups of rice. 1 cup is at the rate of 170. So how much will 5 cups cost? We want to do equals to, we are using cell address, we are not using the value. So cell address for 5 is C2, then multiply by D2. Then we press enter key on the keyboard. See now, 850. Still within Excel application, we want to hold down this small black knot down here, this place now, this small black knot here. We click it and hold it down, drag it down. It will supply the answer. Yes, you see. It gives us the answer. That is the feature of Excel that is called autofill. It automatically fills the answer for us. Then now, let's do another calculation. This amount is for only rice, this is for beans, this is for curry, and this is for onions, and this is for fish. Then we want to calculate the total money that we will use and go to that market. We now click here and start with equal sign. Look, it is a must. If you are to perform calculation in Excel, you must start with equal sign. So now say equals to sum. I open bracket and specified what I want to sum. Sum means add. So I now want to specify where to add. So I will start with E2, which is the cell for 850, and it is highlighted here. Now I use colon and then E6, and then close the bracket and press enter key on the keyboard. You now see we have this answer here now. Also see the interesting aspect of using Excel for calculation. Let's assume now, as you add this thing, you see that the total amount you are to use to the market is up to 4,300. And maybe you don't have that amount. There's need to reduce some quantity in terms of what you will buy. You now say, oh, rice will not be 10 or 5 cups anymore. Let's take rice 2 cups. You now say 2. See, automatically, this 850 will be reduced. Click anywhere outside, it turns this to 340. And see the amount that was 4,000 something is now 3,790. And you still wonder how your money will be sufficient for this. Then you want to reduce the number of curry, the number of cups of curry. Then you click here and maybe specify 8 cups instead of 10. See this 3790. Automatically, once you click outside that place now, the value decreases. This is another feature of Excel that is very interesting. We call this one auto recalculation feature of Excel. It automatically recalculates. Very interesting. Whatever value you change here, like this onion, you now say I don't want to buy this quantity of onion, then you just buy like 3 onions, and you will see that this value, once you click outside, this value will change. You now see, and the total value here will also change. That is so interesting in Excel. Auto recalculation feature will help you to perform this task without you sitting down again to start recalculating. But you are in Microsoft Word. That is the interesting part. Let's do another practical to see other things that you can still do within Microsoft Word that is impossible if you are not bringing in or inserting Excel spreadsheet into Microsoft Word. See this question now. The number of crates of soft drinks sold to students of SS1 during a break time is as follows. Brand of soft drink, number of crates. Coca-Cola, 8 crates. Pepsi, 4 crates. Fanta, 5 crates. Crush, 1 crate. Sprite, 2 crates. The question now is, draw a column chart to show to represent the data you have in the table above. You want to draw a chart now. Please, if you are in Microsoft Word and you want to draw the chart, copy the table again. Copy this table again. Copy the table to the new location that you want the chart to appear. I copy and paste. The reason is this: if you don't copy and paste, then you highlight this one to perform the task that you want to perform. The actual table will disappear. So we want to see both the table and the chart on this sheet. So for that, I have to highlight the table and copy and paste the table in a new location before I start performing the task. I want to insert a chart now, a column chart. So now I highlight the table, the data I want to use for a chart, and click insert. See, they say column chart, then I specify column chart and then say okay. Automatically I have the column chart here. To have it full, to fill the chart full, come to this node here, expand it, then come to the downside. Come to the downside here. Once your pointer becomes a two-headed arrow that one faces up, one faces down, click and drag down. You now see that you have the chart full. You have the chart full. That is the chart. The fact remains that you are in Microsoft Word while you are performing this task. Once you click outside, you now see the chart is here and the actual table is here. You now see, once you finish everything, nobody will know again whether you use Excel to do this or whether you use Microsoft Office Word to do this. The fact remains that you inserted Excel spreadsheet into Microsoft Office Word, then you use it to perform the task. So please, that's how you can insert Excel spreadsheet into Microsoft Office Word application and you handle it effectively. Do practical as regards this so that you can become master over this. And also, if you have not subscribed to this channel up to this point, please touch subscribe so that you subscribe to this channel, and also click the notification bell so that you can be notified once new videos is available. Thank you very much and bye for now.